What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is William Rivera, and in this channel we talk about e-commerce, ads, and anything really to do with the digital marketing and e-commerce world. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why you should be running Snapchat ads in 2021 and how I've been able to leverage Snapchat ads to be doing around $9,000 a day profitably on that platform. Okay, so as you can see right now, I was able to spend over $16,000 on Snapchat to generate over $45,000 in revenue. And this was only within a 2-week span, as you can see. Now, guys, if you're not running ads on Snapchat, let me tell you why you should. And I actually have the statistics pulled up in front of me on this MacBook. Keep in mind some of these numbers that I'm about to tell you right now, okay? So Pew Research reports that 78% of all 18 to 24-year-olds are using Snapchat, okay? 78%. That's a lot of people, guys. And Snapchat's only getting bigger and bigger. If you didn't realize, Snapchat's stock price actually doubled this year. And it's for good reason. It's because more people are getting on the platform, more people are using it, and they've begun as a company to make more money off their ad platform because more companies are spending money with them and more companies are realizing how profitable it is for them. You know, for a period of time, I actually ran into some complications with Facebook, running ads for one of my brands, and I had to completely shut off my Facebook ads until that got resolved. And I was just relying on Google and Snapchat. And Snapchat was outperforming Google by a lot, guys, a lot, okay? And I'm actually gonna release another video where I go more in depth, like a more tutorial style type video on these Snapchat ads. But this video is more so to tell you that if you are not running Snapchat ads already, you need to, because there is money to be made on that platform. Now, just a quick disclaimer, most of my customers for my brand are between the ages of 16 to 35, okay? And Snapchat is mainly for that type of demographic, 16 to like 25. Once you get over 30s, it's kind of like pushing it, but you can still make money with those ages. So keep that in mind. If you're running ads to a younger audience, you definitely need to be on Snapchat. And like I said, the platform's only growing. And, there's reports that are saying that as the years go by, more older people are going to start using Snapchat. It's kind of like how Facebook is now. All of us, people in my generation, millennials, we all used to use Facebook, right? And now it's like all the older people use Facebook as a platform now. And that's kind of like where Snapchat's gonna head in the next couple years, okay? So make sure you're using Snapchat. From my experience, UGC does best on there. If you don't know what UGC is, all that means is user generated content. Retargeting ads have done phenomenal for us, as we were able to spend $4,000 in retargeting ads and make over $17,000 in revenue. So you can see right there how powerful retargeting can be. I hope you found value in this video, and keep in mind, just because you found value in it or just because you got some knowledge from this video doesn't actually mean it's gonna change your business. You have to apply the knowledge that you just gained from this video. So go out there and put a snap pixel on your website, your store, at least. If you're not gonna run snap ads immediately, at least put a snap pixel on your website and store so you can start gathering that data. You can create some lookalikes later or some custom campaigns or whatever, but at least put that snap pixel on your store. Hope you found value in this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. If you want to keep updated with some of my content on other platforms, make sure to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. The links for that are down below. But I'll catch you in the next video, and see you.